Hey Anne-Marie, I was just reading the headlines post from this week about SLT, and one of the things was about maybe adding an address besides 2600 Northwest College Way to COCC, and I wanted y'all to know that there's a really cool app out there called What3Words, already in existence, already doing kind of what you're talking about doing. So what it is it has mapped every 10 square meter square on Earth with three distinct words. So if I search for, if you take a look at Central Oregon Community College, it takes you to the address Unleashing Cycles Factors. And if we let's put a layer on here. There we go. That looks like, that's Boyle Hall, I think, right? Yeah, that's Boyle Hall. I'm guessing that's Lori's office, I guess. But what you might not see in this, I'm going to zoom in a little bit, are all these squares. Each one of these squares is a 10 square meter area. So if you click on that square right there, that address is Accentuate Handsets Rural. The one right next to it is Implements Quick Headlight. We can scroll up. Let's scroll out and go find Grandview Hall where we are. There's Juniper. So we're here. So if you needed to get to my office, I'd be somewhere right about here. And that is Fragmented Watches Scrum, or maybe it's Honeycomb Lake Basher, or maybe it's Shimmering Cashew Percussion. But you see, you can get to, hell, I can get to that parking space right there if I go to Emotional Choices Poetry. And then you can hit Navigate, and it'll actually open in whatever app you need it to open to get you to that spot. And this is a wickedly precise spot. I mean, what's cool about it is, it's like I said before, it's not tied to a building. So let's say something happens, I mean, God forbid, that's where Kaylee's memorial is. Her memorial has Defects Monkey Cleanest, and you can navigate right to that, or this little spot right here by the hairpin turn, Diner Sponsor Diamond. It's totally rad. And it was actually developed, if you look at the About page, it was developed for just this purpose. The simplest way to talk about location, street addresses aren't accurate enough. Precise locations, building entrances don't exist for parks in many rural areas. So it's totally cool. And obviously it's designed for emergency reasons. So just wanted you to know that this product already exists. It's free. You can install it on your phone. I don't know what the pluses of adding an address are, but if I can get right to, say, whatever this little spot is by going to Aged, Invited, Clumped, I think that's a much more simple solution for our very large, exceedingly treed campus. Anyway, just wanted you to know. Take care.